Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to set out of Office in Teams mobile app. It is both working for iPhone and Android users. So let's go to your Microsoft Teams application. Here, tap the profile icon. You can set out the Office in two ways. First is by tapping this word available and by tapping this offline or the other options that you prefer. This option will be placed in your account for people to see that you are not available during the specific time. The second is to set a status message. So, tap this one and set your status message. You can put like this: Sorry, I'm busy right now. I'll be right back. And tap Show when people message me. And with that, people can receive your status message if they sent you messages. And also, you can set here the time to whenever you want this is applicable. And it will be understood that you are out on that specific time. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.